Bar 2025. Political and Public International Law. Question number 2 by Amicus Curious. The XYZ Church was a relatively new religious group with fast-growing membership. On January 22, 2025, ABC News published an investigative report revealing that the leader of XYZ Church, Father Z, was actually the head of an underground syndicate and a notorious swindler who was convicted of fraud charges in the United States of America. The published report caused great agitation to XYZ Church followers who threatened to harm ABC News, destroyed its properties, and mauled the vendors who were selling copies of its newspaper containing the report. Reacting to this spate of violence, Secretary of Justice X, on national television, prohibited ABC News and other newspapers from republishing the questioned report or they shall face charges in court. ABC News assailed the prohibition, claiming that the same constitutes prior restraint against speech. Is the challenge correct? Reasons. Suggested answer. Yes, the challenge is correct. Article 3, Section 4 of the Constitution prohibits prior restraint, and in Chavez v. Gonzales, the Supreme Court ruled that any government action preventing publication is presumed unconstitutional unless justified by a clear and present danger. Secretary X's televised prohibition against republication of the report is a form of prior restraint. The violent reaction of XYZ Church members does not justify censorship of the press. ABC News was exercising its freedom of speech and of the press. Thus, the prohibition is unconstitutional and the challenge will prosper. This is just a suggested answer. Use at your own risk.